What is a good way for mixing and how much hardener? That's a great question. So we'll start with the how much hardener. You see here I put a line across the puddle, not a full line across the whole thing. That's because it's a little humid right now. When it's more humid, you want to use less hardener. When it's less humid, you want to use more hardener. General rule of thumb is one line across your section of Bondo, but you know, you do a little bit less in the summer, a little bit more in the winter. As for mixing, make sure you are not mixing like you would a pot of stew or something. Make sure you're mixing by folding your filler and your hardener together, cleaning off your spreader very often to get the separate pieces mixed in. You don't want anything unmixed at all on your palette, because that could end up as a disaster when you're spreading. Alright guys, good luck.